The Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association had organized the 32nd Annual State Arm Wrestling Championship 2023 today, the 22nd of April at the KJP Assembly Hall in Shillong. The chief guest during the event was the Commissioner and Secretary of the Sports Department, Vijay Kumar D, while the President of the Shillong Press Club, David O Laitphlang, attended the event as guest of honor. Also present were the officials of the Sports Department, members of the Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association, World Champion Margaret Pathaw and national level medal winners, participants at the championship and others. Winners of the championship were also felicitated during the program.
So irrespective of whatever sport it is, so it could be a sport recognized better, not recognized also great. But if this is the sport which makes you passionate, then we are very happy to encourage. You already know that in the sports, the award scheme that we have already included non-Olympic sports also. So many of you, when you win the nationals, when you win beyond, you will get the support, the cash prizes. The coaches also will get the cash prizes and the support which Olympic sports will get. The rates are maybe slightly different, but we have already taken note of this and we have included this in the policy from the government side, from the sports department side. So I see this both ways, which is one is for you all to achieve excellence, and second, for you all to actively engage with your peers, engage with people across, across regional, across, you engage with people from across different parts of the country. So we broaden our horizon and we aspire to be the best. I think so. It serves so many purposes and it has this great unifying power, sport, and especially this is a sport which, every kid in the country, I think even I have a 10-year-old nephew. So when I go home to Hyderabad, the first thing he says is, let us do arm wrestling. So I think this is something which is played in every house, every small office. Everybody is enthusiastic about it. But as David also said, I'm very, very glad to see that specially challenged people are also coming up. I think special compliments to those of you who, despite those challenges, have been able to make do well in the sport.
But it's very nice that we actually are getting recognition for a lot of sports, especially contact sports where we all are good at, where Meghalaya has produced champions and champions. We don't even know how many will even come more. Now we know that the government is very proactive in seeing and encouraging performance-driven sports. So if you perform, I can tell you as a journalist, the government of Meghalaya will always be there to support you. You just got to be a little bit more serious, a little bit more focused. You got to sacrifice like every other sport. And arm wrestling, I know Vijay was just saying, but they're also small. How is it? But the fact is that we have categories. I was just trying to give him a gist of it. And the categories that we all are good at, we all are good at.